Let's start modifying the code. Before we dive in, it's always a good idea to keep the original files safe so we can go back to them if something breaks. To do that, we'll make a copy of detection.py and save it as a new file called alarm.py. Go to the basic_pipelines folder to find the detection.py file. Right-click and copy. Then right-click on an empty space and click paste. Change the file name to alarm, then click rename. We'll work with the alarm.py file from now on. Right-click, select Thony. In our new program, the goal is to create a simple intruder alarm. If a person is detected, the Raspberry Pi will alert us by flashing an LED. But there's one catch. We don't want the alarm to go off if it's just a dog or a cat wandering around in front of the camera. In order to do this, we want to do this in 2 steps. First, set up the hardware. Referring back to how you set up the Raspberry Pi board to light up the LED, wire them up with a breadboard LED, wires, and resistors. In this example, I'll use the GPIO 14 pin. Write a simple Python script to test if this setup is working. This code should turn the light on for 3 seconds. To run this code, we don't need a virtual environment. Simply press the green button to run. If it works, we're ready to modify the alarm.py file. Let's open it up on Thony.